So today I'm going to show you about some opening. We have shaft opening, wall opening, some vertical opening, and dormer opening for roof. Now let me just create some walls over there. Trim this part. Okay. Now suppose you have created stairs or your lift, stairs or lift you have created. So let me go with this 3000 here. Okay. And this is going to be monolithic stair. How many number of risers you need? So let me go with 25. And actual depth, let me go with 275. Okay. Now let me place it. Here I will place it. Okay. So total number of 25 risers I have mentioned. So here I will specify 12 riser. Yeah, I'll change this position later. Now let me go with front left. Okay, so it's not left. It is going to be the right side. And now let me place it here. Here it is placed. Now let me go with this align option here. Let me align it. And now let me align it. Okay, so this stair is created. Let me go for finish. Highlighted lines overlap as because of the railing. Now let me click here, and what I will do, I will select this railing, go for edit path, and here you can see this. You have you can go for offset, uncheck the copy option, and here you can provide like 50. Okay, and now go for copy and provide 100. Go for finish. Yeah, right. Uh, place it till here, and then let me go for pick. I'll go with 50 here. Let me place it here, and then let me go with trim. Okay, and now let me go for finish. Okay, so for this, okay, let me check in 3D. How is it created? It is created here, but not here. We just go with undo and what was created and go that. Let me check it once. Just a second. Let me check it.
I think it is the issue between the two flights. I think there should be
You
a
need to
gap.
provide a gap. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it is doing this. You have to provide some gap between, like maybe 100 or something. बहुत close है ये.
Right. So we can provide that. Uh, Now let me do one thing. That is railing should be placed on stringers. Now let me check.
Isn't there
Okay.
any option that we can stretch that second flight and can create a gap in between? Because I'm always
Yeah.
confused in stair. मतलब, in Revit stairs are not that easy to make.
Yeah, definitely we can do that. I'm just creating it with specific gap. So it will be like manual and also better. I should go for it with fresh. So there I can provide it the gap. Okay. So before specifying this run, I will go with model line. Li is the shortcut. And here I will provide like 100. Okay. Then go for the run. And then the location line that is right. And then go for it. Okay. Right. So what you were mentioning that we can move it. Yes, we can move it. So this way we can move it. Okay.
Yes, yes. This is what I
Yes.
was.
Yes. We can move this. Let me go with finish. Uh, it is placed here. Let me go for edit stair. And if I want to flip it around, I can flip it. Let me align it just. And here it is aligned. Okay. And now let me go to here. And this is created, as you can see. And later, if you need to change the position, so you can choose it. And here we have the offset from path. In the last class, we have discussed about this option. So we can provide more offset if I need like 50 if I want, so that I can provide it. Okay. For these also, you can do the same. All right. Now let me create my floor. So for that, I'll go to level 2, go for floor and go for pick wall option. If you want to provide any offset, you can provide that offset. All right, should be created at level 2, and this is the floor thickness. Click on finish. It's asking for attach your walls. Let's go for attach. Okay. Now you will see that the floor is created, but there is no opening in this floor for the stair. So for that, I should create a shaft opening. Okay. So this is going to be create a hole in this floor. Okay, it will not cut any wall or not your stair. It will cut only the floors, the ceilings, the roof. These elements will be affected by this shaft opening only. Let's go to level 2 and let me on this wireframe view. Now let me uh, have it. Okay, so I'll go with this option here, and so from here I will create it. Okay, and this is the base constant. This is going to be placed at level 1, and then if you have applied the floor, so from the bottom floor it will not be or on the bottom floor it will not cut. So accordingly you need to provide the base offset. Okay, is it plus or is it minus 150? According to the placement of your bottom floor, you need to provide that base offset so that your bottom floor doesn't get affected by this shaft opening. And you need to provide that top constant. Okay, so you provide top constant up to level 2, and you can also provide that top offset so that your top ceiling or uh, top floor doesn't get affected. So accordingly, you can provide this top offset as well. Now let me go for finish mode. And before going to the finish mode, you can provide this symbolic line for the opening. Now let's go for finish. There you can see the opening is created. Okay. And around this here you can create your railing this side. Okay, you can create your railings. So this is about the shaft opening. Now let me show you that how we can place. Yes.
Sir, why are we using shaft opening? Because we can do the same by modifying the floor also.
Right, that we can do by that. But this is how generally we work it, and uh, for for creating the opening, you have to open up, or you have to modify all the floors one by one. Suppose you have like more than 25 or no many limits of a floor. If there are so many number of floors are there, so you have to select all the floors and then go one by one, right? But if you go for this shaft opening here, you can just specify like up to which level it will create. So you can just mention, and you can see that this is the void which will cut all the floors. Okay, this is going to be the easiest and fastest way to create the opening for all the floors, not for the single floor, for all the floors. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes. And you can select all this stair, you can select your stair, and you can go for copy to clipboard, and you can paste and align to selected levels. So let me go for it. Let me select all these. I'll select all these and then go for filter. I'll just uncheck the levels. The levels I don't need. The lines I don't need. The railings, top railings, shaft openings, stairs, stair landings, stair runs, walls, floors, everything I need. So click on OK. And after that, go for copy to clipboard, and then this paste option will be activated. Go for align to selected levels, and you will be placing it level 2. Okay. So here it is created. The shaft. Okay, so the shaft I don't need that much. Okay, so while selecting it, I could uncheck the shaft. Can uncheck this shaft. Okay, everything is selected. And you can go for copy to clipboard, then go for paste, align to selected levels. And this is the level, and there it is. And for this stair, I need to flip it. We'll select this floor, sorry, this stair, and go to edit stair, and then flip it. To change the orientation as well. Okay, so just a second. Here flip will not. Okay, so here you need to just change the number for this side. So for this side there is 12, and for this side we have 13. So I just need to change the numbers. So here I can just increase it 1, and to this side it will decrease, because I have fixed it that how many number of steps will be there. So that I fixed for this. I'll just increase it 1. That is created. And here. And then I will select this shaft and I will increase it. Let me have the realistic view. You see that it's cutting through this floor, right? Like this. We can apply with the shaft opening. Okay. Now let me select these walls. And go for copy to clipboard, and right now I don't have any level, so I need to create a level. Let me go to north view. North. Okay, I need to create a level. LL is the shortcut, and you can go for pick line. You can just simply pick this edge, and you have it. And check this side. You can have it here or here. This level match. Okay. Now let's go to 3D there. Okay. And now let me right click and select all instances in entire project. Shift, I will deselect all these, and these are selected only. Now let me go for copy to clipboard, then go for align to selected levels, and I will align it to level 3, and that is created. And now I need another level that is going to be LL level 4. Okay. Now let me go to level 4 there, and for this underlay, I will choose the base level that is 1, and this one will be level 4. Okay, so I'm looking down from level 4 to level 1, and as because these all are not present in this level 4, I'm getting this as a faded color. And now you can control how it will look here, how much fade will be there. So for that, go to additional settings, and then you have this half tone or underlay option, and there you can apply this. Right now you can see that this is 50% half tone. Okay, so you can apply also some line weight and line pattern, like any dotted line or center line or dashed line or hidden line you can apply like this. You can apply. So okay, so now I will create a roof. So you all know how to create roof by footprint. In the last class we have already discussed. Now I'll match this. Okay, that is my floor outer boundary. Sorry. Okay, and if you don't need any side, if you don't need any slope to these sides, you can uncheck or check. Okay, now it is available here. And if you want to include this whole roof within this plan, so you can with the view range option. Let me go to default, and here it is created. Okay, and now let me show you that if you want to create any opening to this roof, so how you can create that. So now you have this shaft opening. Okay, now it will show you. Want to create any opening to this, it will create an opening on this roof also. So right now this roof, it doesn't require. Now you can see that it's creating a vertical, a straight opening, right? It's creating a straight opening. But suppose you need a projected opening. Okay, uh, as for the face, if you create a you draw anything, it will be projected on the surface, and along that surface it will go perpendicular to create that opening. So that you can create also. So let me go for this vertical opening. Let me go for this vertical opening, and you select this roof, then draw anything like this. Or if you are creating any chimney, so for that you can create an opening like this. Now let me go to here, and here you can see as per the surface, it's created the opening. You can select it, go for edit sketch. Here it is. So now can just change the position. Finish. Here. Okay. I'll delete this opening. I don't need it here. Now, what I'll do, I will create a dormer opening. We'll learn about creating a dormer opening. Okay, so I'll create that. So let me go to level 4 here, and I will create some wall. Okay. It will be placed till here. Let me place it. Line it to this edge. Okay, so that is created now. Now I'll go to 3D here, and now what I'll do, I'll select this, and here you can see this wireframe. It's going below this roof that I don't need. So for that, I'll select all these walls, go for attach top or base, choose base, and this roof is going to be the base. And now this we started from this roof. All right. Now I'll create another roof. So for that, I'll go to this. Let me see which I should go for it. Let me go for south view there. Okay, south elevation. Let me have that south elevation. And let me check with the height. Okay, so okay, so I'll go with that 3000 or 2500 height. Okay, for creating the roof extrusion, roof by extrusion. Okay, so I'll go with the roof by extrusion. And now let me choose the pick plane, click on the plane, and along this plane we will work. So this is going to be our working plane. Select it, where it will be placed. It will start from level 4, and the offset that is going to be 2000. Okay, let me go with 2000. Enter, and this is the height, that is 2000. From here you can check, from here to here it is 2000. Okay, so here it is placed, this reference plane, and now you can create one. So let me create like this, and let me define the roof type. So let me go with this roof, and then it's finish. Now let me go with 3D view there, and activate the realistic mode. It's, you can see that it's going beyond. I will just place it till here. I will just place it till here. We will change it later. Okay. So what I can do, I can connect it till this roof. I can join till this roof. So for that we have this option, join or unjoin roof, and you need to select this edge which will be connected with this surface of this roof. So click it, and here it is connected. You can see that is connected to this. And now we need to select all these walls, select all these walls, go for attach top or base, and we're going to connect top, and this roof is going to be the top. Okay, so it's really small, it's cannot be connected. So it's making problem, or because of the length, I guess. So let me go for unjoin elements. Okay, so we will change the length. So length is too much. Now let me go to level 4 here. Okay, Now let me go to 3D. Now let me join this. Okay. Sorry. Select this wall. Go for attach top or base. Choose top. This is going to be the top, and then you change the length. Okay. Okay. So if you know how much it will go, you must have. Okay. Or else what I can do, I can give it more height. For this, I can give more height. Let me go with 3000. I can provide up to this height. 1800. Go with that. Okay. And now let me we can go to level 4, and there I can include all these things by that uh, view range option. Go to view range, and we know how much it will be. So let's go for top will be 4000, and now let me go with 3500. Go for apply, and okay, and here it is. Okay. This is attached with this top. Yeah. Now let me go with this align option here. Okay, so problem. Uh, mm, have it here. Go for attached top or base. This is going to be attached with top. Sorry, and here also change the length.
Doesn't walls needs to be cut with the roof only?
It means you want to align it with this like
Matlab,
this.
yeah, because I think I don't know, but why is it not happening? Why is Revit giving
Uh, because when I'm changing this, it's going out of this. Okay, so it's extending. So what is happening? It's like the bottom is there, the bottom is there and it's going below this bottom end. Are you understanding?
Yeah, I do understand.
Yes. When I'm
So
increasing
what
this wall
uh,
length,
way of dealing with such
this
kind of
top
situation?
surface, sorry,
What is the best way of catering this situation? Because it took time to adjust it. This
here I'm making it randomly, but as per the drawing you will make it. So there you will have the proper length and everything. So you just provide that.
So currently it might have some gaps somewhere, I think, अगर ऐसा है तो on that wall if it hadn't.
तो ये गैप तो हम लोग
जैसे
फिल अप
इस
कर ही सकते
right, you need
हाँ
to make it पूरा पीछे तक till that end.
हाँ 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 करेक्ट करेक्ट तो
Okay.
वो हम
And
लोग
suppose
यहाँ से स्ट्रेच करेंगे
yes, slightly inside, so Revit will give warning.
हाँ यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना कि मैं जब इसको अटैच कर रहा हूँ तो क्या हो रहा है कि इसका जो टॉप सरफेस है वो बॉटम सरफेस के नीचे जा रहा है जो कि
Hmm.
पॉसिबल नहीं है इसलिए वो
Yes.
एरर दिखा रहा है तो मुझे प्रॉपर एक लेंथ चाहिए कि इसका लेंथ कहाँ तक जाएगा ये अगर प्रॉपर लेंथ पे मैं प्लेस करता हूँ तो वो सही से प्लेस हो जाएगा
Okay.
जस्ट वही प्रॉब्लम है let me try it last okay so it's again it's going below join it okay so let me just align it let me select it and let me drag it till here so this is the problem so this clash will appear when we will go for clash detection this clash will appear so now what I can do I can go for edit profile and I can make some changes for this okay that I can make but always go try to go with that attach option okay uh, do one thing let me go for edit profile just a second let me change this profile me go like this. Okay. Delete it. And go for finish. Now let's put 3D here. Now let me go for join or unjoin roof edge and then select the surface and that is connected here. Okay. And then let me select it. And then go for attach top or base. So it's happening because of that. Okay, I could give it a height. Okay, so I'm just leaving it till here. And this is connected properly. Okay, so it is attached here, and we just go to level 4 here. This is a wall. It should be up to here. Let me go for disallow joint and let me go for disallow joint. We'll go till here. Let me select this. And this one will go till here. And for this also, I'll go for disallow join. For this, I'll go for disallow join. We'll go till here and it will come till here. Okay. Now let me place a window over here. So I can place this window. Now I need to create an opening. Let me just hide this HH. I need to create it here. Okay. So for that wireframe. Now after joining your roof and attaching your walls, go for this dormer opening and select this main roof where you will create that opening. Okay. And then you go for pick roof or wall edges. So first you can choose this wall edges. And then this one. And it will go here. Okay. So this is going to be the opening. Right? And then go for finish. That is created. Let me hide it. Created. Now we will create the dormer opening. Right. So this is all for today. All right. Is there anything to ask? Please ask.